Follow along to create this easy piece of Halloween decor. Gather all of your materials and plan out how you would like your candle holders to look, including the height and color. Remove the handles and any extra pieces of plastic around the holes. Once you know how many skulls you want to stack together, cut a hole in the bottom of each one except for the base. Make sure the hole is big enough to fit your tapered candle. Please use caution when cutting. The plastic is fairly thin, so a small utility knife should do the trick. After the holes are cut, stack the skulls on top of each other and attach with hot glue. For any larger gaps, add a little extra hot glue and smooth it out. Now you can start painting. I decided to keep mine white instead of giving them an antique look. Add your candles. I also decided to use these red candles instead of the orange to give it a more spooky look. I would not suggest burning the candles inside these plastic containers. If you have new candles and want to wear them down a little bit, put them in an appropriate holder first, then move them to your new holders. Add these spooky Halloween candle holders to your shelf or mantle and enjoy all season long. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.